Hey friend, welcome back to the Gentle Reset, your no judgment zone for creating a home that actually works for you. I'm Allison, ADHD home and systems coach, former occupational therapist, and mom of two, and I'm so glad you're here. If you've been listening for a while, you know this space is all about real homes and real life, especially when you have ADHD, and the usual organizing advice just doesn't stick. As we head into a new year, I've been doing a lot of reflecting on my own home, on my clients, and on the patterns I see again and again. And one thing keeps coming up. So many ADHD women are putting in so much effort at home and still wondering why it feels so hard to keep up. The problem isn't effort, it's the approach. And that's exactly what Season 3 is about. We're going to talk about what happens when your home slowly becomes harder to manage over time, why certain spaces drain your energy more than others, and how a gentle reset built around your life and your brain can bring relief without adding more to your plate. I'll be sharing behind the scenes from my own home, real client stories, and what really changes when a space finally works for you. This season isn't about perfect systems or starting from scratch. It's about recognizing when your home is asking for help and what it looks like to answer without shame. New episodes start January 7th, and they'll drop every Wednesday. If you're craving a calmer, more supportive approach to your home this year, make sure you hit follow now. I can't wait to walk into this next season with you. And one quick thing before you go, if you've been wanting to do a personal reflection but don't know where to begin, I've shared my end-of-year reflection workbook in the show notes. It walks you through a simple, no-pressure way to look back at 2025 and choose your one word for 2026. And in the first episode of Season 3, on January 7th, I'll be sharing my own reflection, what I learned, what I'm letting go of, and what I'm carrying into 2026. I can't wait to see what this season brings. See you soon.